Hello, guys. Yes, this is my lunch. I'm showing you now two lettuce wraps with cheddar cheese in it. We have some coleslaw. We have a little bit of raw onions. We have spinach in there, as well as some guacamole. And for dessert, a little bit of apple slices and some applesauce. And this is my husband's. He eats a lot more than me, so that's what he has. The same thing. Lettuce wrap with spinach, chicken breast salad, and then we also have guacamole on that, along with some onions. Amen. And then we have a little drizzle of Italian dressing. Yes, and some pico inside of the guacamole too. I don't know if you can see that, but oh my goodness, this is going to be delicious. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Share. I need y'all to comment. All right. Bye bye.